Welcome back to my channel. Today's video about study, so stay tuned. Let's get started. Here are some tips to help you do better in your studies. Number 1. Eliminate distractions. Eliminating distractions is a crucial part of studying effectively. When you are surrounded by distractions, it is difficult to concentrate and stay focused on your studies. To create a distraction-free environment, you need to find a quiet and conducive place to study. When choosing a study location, you should consider a space that is free from noise, interruptions, and other distractions. This can be a library, a quiet room in your house, or a study hall. The space should be comfortable enough to allow you to focus for extended periods without experiencing any discomfort. Additionally, turning off your phone or keeping it on silent mode is an essential step in eliminating distractions. Social media notifications, text messages, and phone calls can distract you and shift your focus from your studies. By turning off your phone, you can focus solely on your studies and improve your concentration. It's also important to avoid other activities that may distract you, such as browsing the internet, watching TV, or chatting with friends. To do this, you may need to prioritize your studies over these activities, or schedule them for after your study session. In summary, creating a distraction-free environment is crucial to effective studying. By finding a quiet study space, turning off your phone, and avoiding other distractions, you can increase your focus, concentration, and retention of information. This will lead to better academic performance and help you achieve your study goals. Number 2. Stay motivated. Staying motivated is critical to achieving academic success. It's normal to feel demotivated at times, but there are ways to keep your motivation high. One way to stay motivated is to remind yourself of the goals you set for your studies. Having clear objectives gives you a sense of purpose and direction, which can help you stay on track when you face challenges or distractions. Consider writing down your goals and placing them where you can see them regularly. Another way to stay motivated is to focus on the rewards you will receive when you achieve your goals. This could be better grades, new opportunities, or a sense of accomplishment. Visualizing these rewards can help you stay motivated during your studies and push you towards your goals. Celebrating your successes, no matter how small they may seem, is also essential to maintaining motivation. Acknowledging your achievements can provide a sense of progress and give you the momentum to keep going. Likewise, it's important to learn from your failures and use them as opportunities for growth. Finally, remember to take care of yourself. Proper sleep, nutrition, and exercise can significantly impact your motivation and focus. When you feel healthy and energized, you are more likely to be motivated and productive in your studies. In summary, staying motivated is crucial to academic success. By reminding yourself of your goals, visualizing rewards, celebrating successes, learning from failures, and taking care of yourself, you can maintain high levels of motivation and achieve your study goals. In this video we learn about study. If you want more things like this, then don't forget to subscribe. Thanks.